The OXO collection of silicone flexible turners are tools we reach for almost every time we cook. Sturdy construction combined with slim profiles allow us to flip even the most fragile foods. All turners feature soft, comfortable, non-slip handles, thin, flexible stainless steel heads that are covered in heat-resistant silicone up to 600 degrees and are all dishwasher safe. These utensils are also safe for nonstick cookware and bakeware. The flexible turner is ideal for lifting cookies and other baked goods. The large turner is great for flipping eggs, burgers, crepes, and more. The pancake turner is perfect for pancakes, burgers, and cutlets. The flexible omelet turner is ideal for flipping longer foods like omelets and fish fillets.
Make large salads, sides, or fruity desserts with ease with the Tower Salad Spinner and Mandolin, your key to creating clean and tasty meals in a spin. Soak, spin, dry, chop, slice, and julienne all in one. The Tower Salad Spinner and Mandolin is the ultimate in food preparation. Great for salad washing and drying, leaving you with a super dry salad perfect for seasonings and dressings. Take your salads to the next level. Use the multi-mandolin for added texture. The quick change blades make for a safe, consistent use. Slice, crinkle cut, or julienne straight to the bowl.